chamatkara bhakta lochana yo sundaryam prakasha Prabhu. Govinda Prabhu, Krishna, Gopinath Prabhu will manifest his beautiful form before the eyes of the devotees. Rup Darshan, Rupa Chintamani. Meditate on the form of Krishna, says Vishwanath. Everywhere, meditate on Krishna's form. Nam gives Krishna's form, qualities. So here it is. I've been meditating on Krishna's form every day, every moment. Now I'm seeing. Once we asked our teacher, when we meditate on the Manasik Murti of Krishna, what form should we see? And the Guru very nonchalantly and simply said, the one that's in your heart. I said, okay. It's that easy.